All right, here's another boat house for sale. This is on the D dock. D as in dog. Has a mezzanine area. Well, it's actually a little outdoor deck. And this boat well is about 39.5 by 13, almost 14 feet, and 14 feet high. And this is D number 3 at Lighthouse Marina. This is in Scappoose, by the way. And this baby, this is a gorgeous boathouse. This is in very good shape. This is in D4. This currently houses one of my favorite boats. Beautiful Grand Banks. Lots of room here. And this boat well is 43 by 16, and the height, very tall in here, 16 feet. So there you have it. Need a place to put your water toys? Give me a call.